Bonjour, hello friends, welcome to this YouTube channel French Minds. So we are going to continue with our number series 71 to 79. So on this channel I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So in this video we will see numbers from 76 to 79. So let's begin. Number 76 will be pronounced as soixante-seize. Soixante-seize. So how this number has been formed? So 60 plus 16. 60 plus 16 is equal to 76. So 60 means soixante and 16 means seize. 60 means soixante and 16 means seize. So number 76 is combined of 60 plus 16. Soixante-seize. Then 77. 60 plus 17. 60 means soixante and dix-sept means 17. 60 plus 17 is equal to 77 and it will be pronounced as soixante-dix-sept. Soixante-dix-sept. 78. 60 plus 18 is equal to 78. Soixante-dix-huit. Soixante-dix-huit. And 79 is 60 plus 19. Soixante-dix-neuf. 19 means dix-neuf. So therefore 79 is pronounced as soixante-dix-neuf. So we will practice these numbers one more time. 76, soixante-seize. 77, soixante-dix-sept. 78, soixante-dix-huit. 79, soixante-dix-neuf. So the structure of these numbers is quite different than the other numbers. 60 plus 16, 60 plus 17, 60 plus 18 and 60 plus 19. So let's practice it one more time. 79, 78, 77 and 76. Soixante-dix-neuf, soixante-dix-huit, soixante-dix-sept and soixante-seize. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.